We are heading to Blizzard Beach. And of course, I had the convertible top down again because it's another beautiful day out. We're only here for a couple hours because we have to head back to Jacksonville for lacrosse and ice skating. Right. How are the power packs?
No.
Take that as good.
Hunter has the power pack, I have the turkey wrap.
Oh, power pack and turkey wrap.
Sammy's good.
Very good. Yeah, the Sammys are actually pretty good. They're like apple, kind of like
Apple cinnamon oatmeal.
yeah, they're like kind of like a cookie, sorta. Maybe like a granola type bar.
It's like a breakfast bar.
A breakfast bar.
It's called a breakfast bar.
It's called a breakfast bar.
It's a snack-sized sandwich bar. And it's oatmeal.
Yum.
Apple, cinnamon, and oatmeal.
Here's the sign for Blizzard Beach.
Fun in the sun. This way.
We are here, Blizzard Beach, baby. We are off to Teamboat Springs, which is the family tube ride. The kids love this ride. Usually it has a long wait, but today it only has a 15-minute wait because we're so early. So we're going to do that first. And there is the backside of Expedition Everest. I don't know if you guys can see that in the distance, but that is the backside of Expedition Everest at Disney's Animal Kingdom theme park. This is the big thrill ride summit plummet. Already a 45-minute wait. Craziness.
Oh, and then we're gonna get rained on. Little hidden Mickey. Kids always got to stand there at the hidden Mickey. Yay!